Welcome. In the next few minutes you will learn how to fix dev error 12502 in MW. Let's start by verifying the integrity of your game files. Open Steam and right-click an MW library. Select Properties and navigate to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files and patiently wait for the process to complete. This will check for any corrupted or missing files and attempt to repair them. Next, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Determine your graphics card model, NVIDIA or AMD. Visit the respective manufacturer's website and download the latest drivers for your card. Install these drivers following the on-screen instructions. Now let's close any unnecessary programs running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S simultaneously to open the Task Manager. Identify any programs that are not essential, especially antivirus or troubleshooting software, and end their processes. Temporarily disable your antivirus software completely. Try launching MWN to see if the error is resolved. Remember to re-enable your antivirus after playing. If the error persists, we might have to reinstall MW and install the game from your computer. Restart your computer to ensure a clean slate. Reinstall MW-ROM, your original source, or through Steam. Let's try repairing your Visual Studio redistributables. Open the Control panel and go to Programs and Features and locate Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Then click on Repair. Repeat this repair process for every version of Visual Studio Redistributable listed. Sometimes clearing the game's cache can help. Navigate to C. Uses your user app data local Activision Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Find the cache folder and delete all the files within it. Relaunch MW3 if the error is gone. If none of these solutions work, it's best to contact Activision support directly for further assistance. You can find their support page at https://activision.com. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more such tutorials.